Hello, now let me explain to you Hisent's new car installation video. First, remove all the packaging materials. Then open the folding riser. Stand up vertically. Then the buckle under the folding riser is stuck. Then take the front of the car out. Plug it into the folding riser. Note that there is a safety thread on the T-board of the folding riser front. Be sure to go to this safety line. Can't be above this safety line. Then snap the buckle on the folding riser to death. The next step is to install the seat bag. There is also a safety thread on the seat bag. It must be within this safety line. Do not exceed this safety line. Then adjust the position. Snap the buckle. Note the buckle, there's a bolt here. The tightness can be adjusted here. Then install the front pedal. Front pedal points L and R. L means left pedal. R stands for right foot pedal. Install the left pedal first. Whether it is L or R, they all rotate in the direction of the front of the electric bicycle. It must be turning in the direction of the front of the electric bicycle. Tighten with the special tools we give away. Okay, just tighten it. Now we install the right pedal. It must be turning in the direction of the front of the electric bicycle. Okay, just tighten it. Then we install the rear pedal. The rear foot pedal can be installed regardless of left and right. Install with the special tools of the M5 we give away. First, remove this reserved pedal screw. Pull it over when it's almost installed. Align the screw part here. Then put it in the screw part to tighten it. It's the same over there. M6 cross screw Hisent. Then put it on our handlebars. Tighten it again. Next, install the phone holder. Open the phone holder. Find the installation tool corresponding to the mobile phone holder. The tools are generally in the back of the packaging box. Use a tool to unscrew these two screws. Note that the screw cap should be kept well and cannot be lost. After the nut is unscrewed, fix this place. Stuck on the handlebars. Fit the nuts on both sides by hand. Be sure to align with this hole. Screw directly after alignment. When it is almost screwed, adjust the position of the mobile phone holder. Adjust to the position you need. Then tighten it. After tightening, take this off. After removing it, insert it through this hole. And you put it in the center. Put it in the center and turn it to the position you want. Now, the installation is almost complete. Last step. Plug in the key. Plug in the power cord first. Make sure it is plugged in tightly. Then turn on the power.